Okay, guys, we're doing the jet engine challenge, and hope this ain't a fail. So, is this gonna be dope, bro?
It's gonna be dope.
It's gonna be many. Just watch. Watch, you two. Just watch, bro. Woo!
I don't think they took it.
Bro, your head was in the way.
Why didn't you? Did I take that? Oh.
I told you guys it was gonna be dope.
Oh, I didn't.
This is fun.
You're using all your mama balls. They have a whole nother big thing in there.
Well, this is 70%.
Bring it closer.
Man, bro, what is
The top's not gonna come off. Just stand like right there.
I mean, the friend's way though. The friend, come outside.
Wait.
So yeah, hope this one's dope too, like the other one. So yeah.
I didn't even do it.
Come on, bro, what's up?
Shake it.
You gotta shake it up, shake it up. Yeah, so this is a challenge. So if anybody try to do it, don't do it at home.
Oh, I got it. Really good. Wait, that's how it's supposed to be.
See, it's Manny, huh? Manny, huh, bro? See, it's Manny. We're gonna do one more.
70%
70%
alcohol.
alcohol. So don't forget that, you guys. We're gonna pour some out because we did too much. So yeah,
A little bit poured on the floor, but that's okay.
a little bit poured out on the floor, but huh?
Alright, let's go. Here you guys get. Yeah. You wanna light it?
My,
You wanna light
all right, so my brother, he's recording now, and I'm gonna
What's up,
light
you
it.
guys? This is my channel, JNC727. Man, shaking the 72% thing. It's my little brother lighting it up. Should get it. Get it again. Go again. Do it again.
And this is all for YouTube.